Schlumberger is a globally leading technology company with its headquarters in Houston, Paris, London, and The Hague, dedicated to promoting technological innovation and sustainable development in the energy sector. The company has over 90,000 employees from more than 160 countries, and its business covers over 120 countries around the world. Safety has always been at the core of Schlumberger's stable operation. With rich experience, Mr. Wang Xini led the pilot project of intelligent upgrade of forklifts, which was first implemented in the high-risk oilfield technical service department. Through cooperation with the project party, not only has the safety of forklift operation been enhanced, but also transparent management has been achieved through data collection and analysis, laying the foundation for preventive maintenance and asset efficiency improvement. Schlumberger continuously invests in material handling to ensure the safety, reliability, and comfort of operations. Employees are both the objects of safety protection and may also become sources of risk. Mr. Wang pointed out, since 2003, we have built a stable and developing digital security platform, which can trace security data for over 20 years. The accident rate has significantly decreased, but human factors remain the key variable. Forklift safety is closely related to the operators and covers multiple links such as authorization, assisted driving, loading and unloading, overload testing and daily inspection. Schlumberger operates at multiple oilfield bases in the United States and needs to handle approximately 100 tons of workpieces on a daily basis, involving processes such as receiving, cleaning, maintenance, assembly and testing. Compared with the manufacturing department, forklift operations at the operation base are more complex, with 80% being outdoor handling and higher risks. Mr. Wang pointed out that although forklifts are mostly used for small tonnage transportation, the large size differences of workpieces and the complex site environment increase the difficulty of system management and are also prone to collision accidents. Mr. Wang pointed out that the key to the success of the upgrade project lies in accurately identifying the risk factors. The primary issue is to prevent forklifts from being overloaded, especially in edge weight scenarios. Secondly, it is necessary to clearly define the job classification based on the size of the workpiece and plan the barrier-free handling path. For outdoor operation areas, which account for as much as 80%, changes in lighting will affect the recognition of boundary lights, and it is urgent to optimize the perception scheme. At the same time, implementing pre-use inspections to prevent employees from skipping key steps due to time constraints is a fundamental engineering guarantee for ensuring safety. Mr. Wang said, when choosing a partner, we comprehensively evaluated the price, service capabilities, and installation convenience. Ultimately, we selected a supplier with experience in enhancing forklift safety, reducing operating costs and optimizing energy efficiency, and launched the pilot project with an 8-ton electric forklift. After on-site research, Schlumberger introduced multiple hardware and digital technologies, integrating weighing functions and mandatory inspection mechanisms into the TEKNECT forklift management system to achieve intelligent control and efficiency improvement. The forklift weighing function is realized through an integrated logistics weight management solution, covering multiple products such as onboard intelligent weighing systems, heavy-duty forklifts, weighing forks, and overload alarm auxiliary systems. The weighing accuracy of this system is as high as 99.8%. The patented structural design significantly enhances the load-bearing strength, ensuring excellent durability and reliability even under harsh working conditions. The independent weighing function of the left and right forks effectively identifies the risk of uneven load distribution and further ensures operation safety. Forklift inspection is a core link to ensure its safe and efficient operation. To avoid omissions in manual inspection, Schlumberger has introduced an intelligent inspection mechanism based on mobile applications. Before starting the vehicle, the driver must complete the inspection process of key parts such as the appearance, operating system, and brakes. If the inspection is not completed, the vehicle cannot be started. This system not only enhances operational safety but also realizes the digital retention of inspection records, facilitating managers to track the usage status and maintenance history of forklifts in real time and significantly improving management efficiency. The forklift management system monitors the operation, driving behavior and working environment of forklifts in real time through 7 intelligent technologies including pedestrian protection, speed zoning, anti-collision, alarm and traffic control. Schlumberger has installed sirens, strengthened daily digital checks, added seatbelts, and utilized warning lights, buzzers, driving behavior monitoring, reversing radars and AI collision avoidance to enhance safety and operational standards in order to prevent speeding and overloading. The initial achievements have brought greater value. Mr. Wang said that the feedback from partners was positive and the employees generally recognized the upgraded functions. Although there was controversy over the mandatory inspection at first, the employees understood and cooperated after the training. The system significantly enhances safety and efficiency by real-time monitoring of forklift operation and driving behavior, promptly warning of potential hazards. Managers can also view data through the application to optimize operations and safety management. In the future, Schlumberger will continue to advance the forklift upgrade project. Mr. Wang stated that the first phase of the pilot program has concluded, and the second phase of promotion is underway. The company is increasing its investment in newly purchased and existing forklifts, installing related equipment, and exploring more digital and intelligent solutions to enhance efficiency and safety. In addition, Schlumberger will also focus on new technologies such as remote control and predictive maintenance, deepen digital transformation, and enhance core competitiveness. TEKNECT Global Incorporated focuses on advanced forklift management and safety systems. Through real-time data management and personnel protection, it helps enterprises optimize fleet operation and maintenance, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Its innovative technology is highly trusted by global brands and has transformed the way forklift operations are managed and monitored.